Alex, can you ask it again?
Thunder.
The thunder?
Mm-hmm.
What about the thunder?
Let go.
The thunder will be back.
Run.
I don't know.
Let go.
It had to go bye-bye.
The bat.
That's the rain.
Let go.
The rain's still there.
Let go.
Where'd what go?
The thunder.
The thunder?
Mm-hmm.
The thunder had to go bye-bye.
Papa.
Papa?
Uh-huh.
What about Papa?
Let go.
Oh, he's at home.
Nana.
Nana? What about Nana? Huh? What about Nana?
Cheese.
Cheese?
Uh-huh.
You want Nana to bring you cheese?
Uh-huh.
Oh, well, we'll have to ask her that. You say, cheese, please?
And fish.
Cheese, please. What else?
The papa cheese.
Papa brings you cheese?
Uh-huh.
Okay.
That.
That's the rain.
The thunder.
No, no thunder.
Let go.
The thunder went bye-bye. Did you hear that?
That.
That's the thunder.
That. That.
That's the rain.
Nana.
The thunder.
Mm-hmm. But then, no.
Okay, say bye-bye.
Bye-bye.